As a teenager, I found myself in a small little farm community called Lavubu. And there we stayed on other people's farms. But I used to take the Landbouweekblad, and at the back in the yellow pages, you will see all the farms for sale, how many hectares, and all the details. And I would just, as a teenager, every week get. My father used to buy the Landbouweekblad, and then I would just sit and go and take a pen and mark the farms I would buy. And without realizing it, that dream of mine took many years and different paths. And I even went off the path and went into retail. I went into retail and I went into residential property at the very beginning. But that's not where my heart was. My heart's in nature, and I appreciate nature very much. And I think there will come a time where you want to go out into nature, and you'll feel that will be the closest that you will come to God. It's absolute freedom.